Hi, welcome to LUMI's factory. This is Henry from LUMI, and today we're going to take you behind the scenes to get a close look at how to produce premium aluminum mounts in our highly automated facility. Qualified incoming materials will be sent to the warehouse. They'll be labeled to avoid mixing and get protected nicely from any damage. Here at the test lab, the incoming materials will go through a series of inspections. Our inspectors use road tester and spectrometer to detect the hazardous substance in raw materials, ensure the production makes no harm to human health and be eco-friendly. Durability test for gas spring adds more confidence for high performance. Those big guys are welding machines that put the melting aluminum into the tooling and they get heated to reform. As you can see, there is a protect fence around the melting pool to protect workers from high temperature gas and liquid. Quality controllers will inspect the first batch of produced spare parts and send them to a test lab for more accurate measurement, determine whether the production process meets standards. See, the automatic polishing machines make the production a huge difference. A large quantity of rough spare parts become smooth in a short period of time. While on next, in CNC cutting and drilling, mostly 180 high-speed and high-precision CNC machines work here, including the advanced 5-axis grinder. During processing, our quality controllers strictly supervise production safety and quality. Here's the automatic dust-free coating line. Before coating, all hand spare parts will go through dust removal and preheating to avoid oil and watermarks for perfect surface condition. In our automatic spring printing lines, the workers will take an air shower to remove dust and other contaminants before entering the workshop. We aim to set a solid ground at the very first step. Besides the automatic robotic arms, we also have spindle spring lines that are fully programmable for mass production. The chain conveyor can be set to move forward automatically, and the high-speed rotating shafts allow the parts to be uniformly sprayed. The quality inspectors will use equipment to inspect the coating thickness and color difference of the finished parts. If any customized logos and marks are requested, the automatic radium curving machines will do the job. All spare parts will be sent here, get ready for final assembly and packaging. As we have so many different items and tools, we keep the whole area clean and organized to meet the 7S principles of management. The workers strictly follow standard operating procedures, which removes any possible mistakes. The first finished product will be regularly tested for functionalities to ensure the best using condition. In the packing line, quality controllers inspect the whole process as well. After packing, packaging boxes will be weighted to avoid excess remissing. Now, they are already standing by here for shipping. You see, the entire production process is followed by strict quality control Highly automated machines and skilled workers to offer the best products to our customers. For sure, we'll continue to improve and do our very best to help our customers stay ahead of the market. If you are not one of our customers, why don't you give us a try? Simply contact us and we will take care of the rest. We will help your business blooming.